acorns. And this is an acorn woodpecker. He relies on these nuts to survive the coming winter. But he'll need to store away thousands. He and his family work as a team. One of the only birds in the world to do so. Every acorn must be wedged into its very own storage hole. And that could be a real headache. Sometimes the old ways are the best ways. Time to sit back and take inventory. They've safely stored more than 4,000 acorns. The trees are unharmed. This is unlike anything else in nature.